You're right, RC Addict here. I am no longer a digital virgin. Yes, man. I am a sexual virgin. Got the Walksnail system. I've got it on the latest firmware as from it's August 23. So it's I can't remember 33.10. Blah 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 blah. Got it on my 4-inch, yeah. So 4-inch diatone F. Well, it was an F35. It's now an F4. And I'll tell you now, I spent less money when I was on crack every day. I promise you, the video will start in a minute. All right. That VTX, yeah. I'm just telling you now, right. Look at it. I mean, it is wide, yeah. I had a rush tank solo in the back there, and I thought that was like hard to fit in, but that just fits in. I had to cut the bottom of the standoffs off on the back, and I just got it in there anyway. So see, to fly around like that in like 1080p is just, oh, what's that sign say? I can't read it. Who gives a shit? Anyway, by the way, take your props off. Take your props off. Alright? Take your props off. Any closer and it would have got my hair. Damn. That would have been really bad. Anyway, listen. RC Addict now going digital.
A little bit lost and a little bit lonely, a little bit cold here, a little bit of fear, but I hold on and I feel strong and I know that I can. Getting used to it, lit the fuse to it, like to know who I am. Been talking to myself forever, yeah, and how I wish I knew me better, yeah. Still sitting on the shelf, but never seen the sunshine brighter, and it feels like me on a good day.